My Harvest. Today's video is going to be on how to propagate indoor plants in water. You could either make a beautiful water garden with this method or share the plant cuttings with your family and friends and spread plant joy. Before I start, it would be really nice to have you as a subscriber on Get My Harvest. So please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we post the next video. In this video, I'll show you how to propagate 5 plants from their cuttings in water. The first plant will be the Rohio plant. The second will be the snake plant. The third is the purple heart. The fourth one will be the jade plant. And the fifth one will be the arrowhead. We will also talk about how to take a cutting appropriately for propagating in water. And then I'll also share with you how to take care of those cuttings. And finally, we'll talk about any rooting hormones that can be used for speeding up the process of rooting. In order to understand how to take a cutting from the main plant, you need to identify an area which has nodes. Nodes are the points from where either roots are growing, which are called the root nodes, or the leaf are growing. These are the leaf nodes. You need to cut at an angle with a sharp scissors or a knife at a length of 1/4 from below the node, and then put this cutting in a clean glass and add water to the glass just to cover the nodes that you are targeting. The roots will start developing from those nodes. The cutting that you've placed in water will need a change of water at least once a week. And you need to make sure that when you're changing the water, you also try to rinse the roots. This cutting doesn't have its roots, but once it gets its roots, make sure you rinse the roots because it can develop root rot or some kind of a slime on it. For harder cuttings, like the ones for instance, a jade plant, you need to first cut it from the main plant at an angle, then take off all the leaves. You have to take off all the leaves and leave just a few at the top. After taking off all the leaves from the stem of the jade plant, make sure that you scrape off a little bit of the end from where you want the roots to come out. And then place it in water. And you will see that after like 2 weeks, you will have a jade plant with a root system like that. Now I will show you all of these 5 cuttings one by one in a close-up shot. Now coming to the rooting hormones. In case you are interested in very fast root growth, you can use honey as a rooting hormone. Just dip the end of the stem in honey. And then I also use cinnamon powder for dipping like this. And what cinnamon powder does is that it prevents fungal growth as well as root rot. And then I put it in the water. This helps in faster stimulation of roots. But to tell you frankly, I have not been using a lot of root hormones. Another rooting hormone that I use for very hard stems or difficult to grow stems is fast roots. I'll be sharing a link for this one in the description below. Friends, I hope this video has been helpful to you. I have been able to grow these 5 plants successfully with cuttings in water. You can continue to grow these plants in water and make a water garden out of these, or transplant these into a pot with soil in it, and you will see that they will grow even faster. I have already done a video on how to make organic potting soil at home. I'm going to share the link in the description below. Share this video with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.